Welcome to the multiverse of YouTube. We will be looking at subscriber count, watch hours, channel analytics, subscription source, everything you can think about and everything that you need to know about YouTube Studio. So welcome, like, comment, share and subscribe. Let's explore. It is time to learn. Let's go, people. So basically, when you want to find YouTube Studio, you need to find your Google page or any other browser that you have, and you need to open that browser, and then you need to also search for youtube.com. And then when you have searched for youtube.com, then you will follow all the necessary steps that I am going to explain to you. So on the screen currently is being displayed that you use the search bar of the browser to basically enter youtube.com. And if you're using a phone, it's the same thing, or you're using a laptop, it's the same thing. And then basically you will bring it to the page that is on the side of my screen, and then you will see the various videos, and then you will select the one that you want if it is in relation to your channel. But then this is very important, you need to sign in. What do you need to sign in? You need to sign in with your email address and your password. It is the same email address that you use to create the channel, and it's the same password that you've attached to the channel. So when you are finally in YouTube, you basically want to move to clicking or selecting or touching your profile picture. It's normally in a little circle. Then will come to a drop down and you will pick YouTube Studio. It will have other things like your channel, and it will switch account and sign up, but you want to pick YouTube Studio. So when you get to YouTube Studio, now you basically have a drop down menu to the side, right? It is usually below your profile picture again. So basically you're looking there, you'll see this is your dashboard. First thing you see is a dashboard. So you will look on your channel dashboard and you'll see maybe your top video, you will see your number of subscribers, right? And if your video is doing well, you will see the congratulation message about your video. So also our next segment on it is channel videos. So when you get to channel videos, you will basically see all of your videos, and you will be able to look at them and basically probably even try to move them to playlist. So now we are at playlist. This is where you create playlists. This is the section that you make things convenient for your users. So if you have multiple subject matters, or you just want to put things together in a group based on what you know your various users like, or maybe you want to do it based on time or whatever, it's like a filing system right here. So it makes it easier for them to watch videos in a series way. Now we get to analytics. Analytics is very important. This is where you see your subscriber count. This is where you see how good your channel has been doing over a period of time, to see how many subscribers you are getting. You also can look here to find how engaging your audience is with the information that you are presenting, and also you can look at like the audience age group and various categories that you are reaching out to. Another important section of it is that when you go to analytics, when the page comes up, you click see more, you basically get a list of options, so you can basically analyze and assess the number of subscribers that you have, those who have unsubscribed, or the ones that you have lost as well. You will also be able to look at where it's coming from, which countries or which applications, through which applications your subscribers are actually using to reach YouTube to subscribe. There is also the comment section of YouTube Studio. When you get here, basically you'll be able to look at all the comments, and you should be able to make the necessary editing as well as in the ones you don't want to see, or you can also respond Then you have the subtitles section. These are the subtitles that you have attached to your various videos or content that you have placed on YouTube. So this section is also very important. So it's all about managing your channel from YouTube Studio, as you can see. Then the big page that everybody should be focusing on, as promised, is the monetization page. That's when you're working towards getting monetized, right? You need to get your 4,000 watch hours and you need to get your 1,000 subscribers. So basically every morning, every evening, you will be checking this page. So you need to know how to get there. So the option lies in the drop box to the side, and you get to look at the amount of watch hours that you have gained, and you get to look at the amount of subscribers that you have gained so far. Next in the list is free music. Free music, people. Basically, you have free music here that is free of copyright, right? So basically there won't be any copyright claims when you get there. You can download the specific free music that you want, and you can add these to your videos through the various video editing software that you may be using. There are also sound effects that are copyright free. So if you want to avoid getting copyright claims for music or sound effects in your video, this is your section. You need to know how to find the audio library and then click sound effects or just free music. Then you have another big part of YouTube Studio, the settings section. This is where you can change who sees what comments, and also who sees the subscriber count, or if you just don't want to show it any at all. So you have the general settings in this section that you will see, and it will change according to how you progress along the various levels in YouTube. And then you have advanced settings. This is where I am talking about, where I'm telling you that you can make various changes as to what is displayed when a user or a subscriber basically connects with your channel by selecting a particular video that you have uploaded. So the second page to this is that right there you will see if you choose to display the count for the number of subscribers on your channel. If you unclick it, basically it won't show. So you can go here and do your necessary changes. You can do further research on this and check to see what other advanced settings you can play around with or use to enhance your channel, or just to put your channel in the place you want it to be. Once again, don't forget how important it is to manage your channel. This is your business and you need to manage it well. And one of your main tools is YouTube Studio. You can also use the app version on your phone, but you will get the full effect of it when you go and search for YouTube Studio through your browser through youtube.com, and you should be good to go. So guys, happy searching, happy learning. I wish you all the best with everything that you do, and thanks for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe.